Hey everyone, this is Iga Clawtooth from TNC Design. We have been requested to do a demonstration video of our hotel system. Now, we have two different types of hotels. We have the Elegance, which is the one you're looking at now, and we have the Horizon, which is more of a Malibu compartment style tower, rounded instead. But the system is the same, so the video will apply to both of those different types of hotels. Outside, as you can see, we have this entry point with the two parks in the back and the three different structures, three different hotel buildings. Now, if we go inside the number one here, you'll see we have a reception desk and we have the control panel that runs the entire system. Now, this hotel is ridiculously easy to operate, and I'm about to show you just how quick you can get ready and up and running. So here we go. Now we're going to press number one and select edit mode, and we do the same thing for all of them up to 5. The reason why I do this is that all of these rooms are the same size except the penthouse. The penthouse is a bigger apartment, more luxurious, therefore we set the price on that one separately. So we're going to go down to the local chat and we're going to type set weeks. Now that is the minimum number of weeks that they have to rent the room, and I'm going to set that to 2. Set prims, and I'm going to set that to 50 prims per room. I'm going to say set price, and that is the weekly price that they pay, and I'm going to set that to 250 linden. Now, I may have a manager who's supposed to attend to these customers and take care of them. So I'm going to type in set manager, and I'm going to use my own name for demonstration purposes here, Iga Clawtooth. So Iga is now a manager that gives me access to evict, to assist, get the status of the room, who's rented it, and so on and so forth. Okay? And of course, they have access to visit all the different rooms that they have been set to. Now, I may have a business partner, someone that I need to split my profit with of the room rentals. And so I'll type in set percent, and I set the amount, whatever that is, 50%, 25%, 10, whatever you have agreed on. So I'll type in 50. And set split, who am I giving the money to? In this case, I'll put my own name again. So set split Iga Clawtooth. And then we'll then say Iga is going to get 50% of all the rental that goes through. Okay? And that's it. You're done. It's ready to be used. I'm going to click on edit mode again, which means that this is now open for public access. Anyone can use them. Now, as you can see here, it says model on number 1 and number 6. The reason why I've done that is that I wanted people to be able to visit a room that hasn't been rented out yet, to see how it looks and check out the furnitures. And if you want to set that to model mode, you simply go in and press the button and model, and it goes to public access so that they can visit it. Now this of course is disabled as soon as it's rented out, then they no longer have access. Okay? Over here we have the furniture reserves. These are set up for each one room, and if you want to say have your manager have access to this so that they can control it, what you do is you set this to whatever group the manager is a member of, and then you press the button and go options and toggle the guest button until it says group access is allowed. Okay? And you do that for all of these that you want them to control. Once that is done, they have the ability to res out furniture for room number 1 or remove them if necessary, if the customer have their own furniture. Now we are going to visit the penthouse, so I'm going to set out the furniture for that. Now, as you can see, when I approach the shaft here, the buttons turn green, and that is to show me what I have access to. As an owner, you of course have access to the entire building, and as a manager it will be the same. A customer only has access to each individual room. And of course the customer can also add a guest to that particular room, and they can do so. It comes with the instruction note card in the question mark here as well, if they want to know how. So we're going to right click on number 6 and teleport, and we are now in the penthouse. We can open and close the blinds as we see fit. We can turn the lights on and off as we see fit. We have a living room set and a bar. We have a bedroom over here with a fully working section bed that has a complete menu in there. It takes about 60 seconds from the moment you rest it until the menu is ready to be used, but trust me, they'll have enough in there to keep them entertained. Now, let's say you have an intruder, someone that won't leave you alone, sitting down on your couch, you can't eject them, you don't have the power. So what you do is you press the panic button, and you can do this as a guest. What that means is it sends out a drone that will patrol the room, and when it finds someone that has no access to this place, either by being not the owner, not the manager, not the rental customer, and not the rental customer's guest, they will automatically be unset and then ejected and sent home. Their names will be produced in local chat so that you can easily copy it and then send that to an owner of the land to make sure that they can put them on the ban list, for instance. And of course, as this being the penthouse, you have a second area upstairs, kind of a loft area with a nice viewpoint. You can sit and wave to your neighbors, thumb your nose at the neighbors outside, those who isn't living in this hotel, and you can sit down and chit chat with a friend, you know, talk about the day. So it's all here, it's all ready to be used, and it's that simple to set up. So I hope you enjoyed this demonstration and hope to see you soon. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact me, Iga Clawtooth, or my business partner, TranquilMoonDancer Timeless, or Jer Straaf, and we will all be able to answer any question you may have. Thank you very much and see you soon.